Myntri ketenat Ayush ke Sorkar Pdeng usar Nanda Sonowal ulong baka Sorkar Pdeng kadang Pyrkhat ban Shna no life khandai Tylli ki hospital ha ka Thain Shatei lam Myhngi kani kanyarap ban penklan ye ketenat Aijing Sumar ha ka Thain Shatei lam Myhngi ha bakren chikilat pathai kubor ha shlong usunowal ulakdaw ye ki project penrai baper ki balawan ra ka Sorkar jong Myntri rang ba do ka ri Narendra Modi ha ki khandai snem baladep Uni Myntri laong shu ba unsa Shna sa kumbashi hajat ki health but wellness center ulapan tiknaru bakatnat Ayush kalaminjur ban Shna ke hospital ha ka Thain katkum gajing terwa bala ai ka Sorkar.
I believe this kind of institution coming up in the near future. We have many more like project in the northeast, and also thousands of health and wellness center will come up, and different 10-bedded, 30-bedded, and 50-bedded as part of proposal sent by the respective state government will set up this hospital. We are working together, both modern medicine and traditional medicine. In all the sectors, this is going to come to make both the system available for the people to take the access of this kind of cost-effective, affordable, treatment.
Usam buat Myntri rang ba ka jala ubadi kami ketenat transport